Hey everyone, it's Melanie of Art Studio 320, and this is my last video for 2021. I can't believe it's been an entire year that I've been refinishing furniture. Yes, I started at the beginning of the year, the very beginning, and I started by jumping in with both feet. I refinished an entire bedroom set. It was our bedroom set, and I did it in our bedroom. Oh my God. We were going to redo our bedroom anyway, so instead of trying to move this ridiculously heavy furniture downstairs, that would have been crazy. So I did it upstairs, and I took about 7 or 8 days to do 3 pieces. One piece was the end table, but the other 2 pieces were huge. I think I did pretty darn good for a first try. As some of you know, my husband's a carpenter, so I had someone to consult with, but really I was on my own and I wanted it that way. I really am grateful to my family for encouraging me, because I may not have done it without their support. Now, I continue to do this a year later because of your support. I'd like to thank all of you for following me. If you are just finding this video, finding me for the first time, welcome. I hope you'll stick around, and I hope you'll be back. I really have appreciated every one of you. Your comments are so kind. I've gotten a couple of weird ones, but aside from that, I have gotten nothing but positive feedback, and for that I am truly grateful. You know, I'm sure that won't always be the case, but right now I am just enjoying the fact that there are so many of you that take the time to let me know how you feel, and I really appreciate that. So I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. If you have been following me, you may notice I did have a wrist injury a couple of weeks ago. Actually, it feels like it's been a couple of weeks. Maybe it's only been a week. I had an MRI yesterday, but I do not know the results yet. I am feeling way more positive this week about the results. I'm hoping that I can avoid surgery, and I hope that I will be back refinishing furniture at the very first of the year. I will probably be changing my schedule, however, just to make sure that I protect these babies, because they're the only ones I have. And I have been working with my hands my entire life. I'm an artist, so that's what an artist does. And I need to make sure that I can keep on using them. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to be producing a video every other week, which means I will be producing 1 piece every other week. So that gives me 2 weeks. Instead of working 12, 13, 14 hours a day, I will be able to spread that out, and I think it'll be easier on my body and my mind and my soul and my husband. So look forward to that. I am looking forward to that. I think it'll be fun. I think it'll be just as good as it was before. Thank you. And honestly, I really couldn't do this without you. So for today's video, I am going to be taking a look back, so look back with me, at all of the pieces that I have done. So I started in January with a 3-piece bedroom set. Then I went to pieces around my house. I had a lot of furniture that I sort of inherited from my mom and dad, and Phil, my husband's mom and dad. I started with that, and then when I ran out of that, I started to get donations from my neighbors. So thanks, guys. You really have helped me a lot. So thank you for your support. I hope that you can see how I improved all the way up to my final piece for the year, my gradation piece with the stain. I really do love that piece. I wish I could keep it, but that will be going up for sale very soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press that red button, and you can also follow me on Instagram, and you can find me on Etsy, where I'm selling some of my past projects that I've done right here on my channel. I am so glad you're here. Stick around.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. We come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. My heart, we're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
Well, friends, that's all I have for you this year. So thank you for being here. Once again, thank you for subbing. Thank you for your lovely comments. And just thank you. Happy New Year. See you next time.